Here, I got this. Hold on. Huh. Just don't move. I got this. Yeah. Yeah, son. Yeah. Oh, the metal door.
Can you go down first and see if the path is clear?
Damn right I can. I got fucking axe. Oh, shit. Oh. Fuck! No, my axe! No, 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 no. No, what'd you do with my axe? No, hey, hey. Fuck. No, no. I can see it. I can see it. I can fucking see the axe. Don't you... Don't take it away from me! I don't want to. Oh, god damn it. Hold on, dude. We're going back. We're going back. Get the... God damn it. I want the fucking axe. I'm getting it. Come here, Sonny. Yeah! Fucker. You just... Some fucker. Okay. Hey, move it. I gotta get him out here to the fire. Come on, buddy. Let's do this! Yeah! 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 Come on. Pick the wrong day to be a fucked up demon thing. Oh shit. Dude, spit blood at me. What the fuck? Oh, let's get you in the fucking fire. What an asshole.